of the battery is 12.59, and you can see below it 0.00 watts.
Okay.
This is the power.
Okay.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is program this with a computer to run a program of increasing power.
Okay.
And at the same time I'm going to set this to record mode, the battery.
So you can see it later. Or...
Yes,
okay.
yes, and I'm going to take both plots.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, so what this is going to do when I start it is take a measurement of the battery voltage every second.
Okay.
For 5 minutes and store it.
Okay.
Okay, so in the end you'll be able to see a graph. So what I'm doing now is programming 10 steps. We will start from about 12 watts and work our way up to 120 in 10 steps.
Okay.
And each step will take 6 seconds, so we can see how the bike reacts.
Okay.
Okay, until we're at 60, and that's an entire minute.
Okay.
So you can see here as time lapses on the x-axis.
Okay.
We're linearly increasing the current draw.
Okay.
So we're drawing more and more and more current.
Alright.
4 watts, you know, in 10 steps, up to about 120, a bit more. Well, 110 watts. You can see the battery would never charge at this voltage, 11.9 volts. I have now stopped the test.
Okay.
We went through all the steps.
Okay.
The bike survived. So the white wire will sense when you have your bike on. This relay clicks, provides power to the remainder of the circuit. The remainder of the circuit, when this blue wire gets the ignition signal, the timer starts.
Okay.
Okay? And after 10 seconds,
You will fire it off.
this wire that is connected to the battery is connected to the output wire that connects to the inverter. Okay? And when you switch off your bike, this white wire loses signal.
Okay.
Relay goes off and cuts power to the remainder of the circuit. I have connected the the ignition permanently to the battery now. So it's like you have the bike constantly on. And what I'm going to do so, Gilberto, if you could connect the blue wire momentarily to this, what's going to happen is, okay, disconnect. So now your bike is running, your engine is running, that was the starter. And now there's a short delay, approximately 10 seconds. The other relay will click, indicated by the green LED.
Okay.
And now your inverter is running.
Okay.
You pull the white wire. That's it. Now your bike is off. Very well. It's working perfectly.
So, but you're going to put the
Potting.
Yes.
Yes, but I can do that.
Okay,
I mean, potting. Right, so here we have the potting compound, the black stuff. It's fairly malleable. Here we have the catalyst. So now that I remove this,